Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create procurement schedule document in Coda. So what we'll do is sign up to Coda. I created my workspace and I'll be creating a blank doc. Now inside blank doc, I'm going to add a table which contains variety of columns. So let's type in procurement schedule. Here I will be using / then call for table. First column should be for ID, or you can say package ID, right? Then comes your items from package, then contract type, work or no work, or pending work, etc., right? Then assignee, right, who you are assigning this to, and then another text delegated to, finally schedule date, right? So it should be date that says scheduled date, right? So now we have our table. I can add things like, let's say, ID 2001, then we have item, see items, item 1, contract type, work. Then here you see I will have to change assignee to something like text, right? So assign to say some person, right? Delegated to say another person, then schedule date where we have like 24th of particular year being the right. So this table is about procurement schedule template, right? Now I'll also add some conditional formatting. For example, here I'll be formatting with conditional formatting. Here let's start from gray, then let's format this too, right? Here I will add another color and then move to contract type. Let's add conditional format for this particular as well, right? So here, as you can see, contract type, and I'm going to pick this color, right? Then comes assignee format, conditional format, and let's see, assignee I want in green. Then comes delegated to, I will set the conditional formatting to some color like yellow. Finally, we are doing this to schedule, then conditional format. So let's see what we can do. Let's go with date. Now close this and we have our table. I can keep on adding ID 2002, then item 2, contract type is non, and so it's going to be quarterly and not weekly basis. So we will just add Q work, right? And instead of saying non-weekly, we'll use that, right? And here, right? Then schedule this to some specific date and so on. So our template looks like this. So if you are creating procurement schedule template, then this is a table that you can look over and try and come up with variation of this. Then you can also label people with @ sign, and if you are inviting them for particular check, you can then add them through these columns as well.